of class 5th B request Khushi Kargutkar to introduce us his program.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I welcome you all to the 74th Independence Day celebration. Today is the day we remember and commemorate our great freedom fighters and leaders who sacrificed their everything to make our motherland free. Today is the day to feel proud to be a part of an independent India. Having a freedom of speech, equality, and to live our lives the way we want it to be. Surely we cannot emphasize with the difficulties that the freedom fighter went through, but we can understand and sympathize with their pains and make their struggle worth it. Using our freedom wisely should be our motto for the year to come. Today, we are in the bondages of an unseen enemy, a pandemic that we all are so desperately praying to be free from. Truly, we desire to attain independence from this and go back to the lives that we were so hopeful for. The fear of not trusting anyone could have the resemblance of world like lockdown and social distancing are so very important to us now. Can we compare it together? We can all strive and motivate ourselves and one another and to use our independence meaningfully. Thank you.
Well said, Khushi. I now request Mr. Sarvil Tole of class 50 to express his views.
A big salute to Corona Warriors. All are saying that the main Corona Warriors are doctors, nurses, hygiene and sanitization staff, police, and several others engaged in the maintenance of essential services. These warriors have contributed to the national effort to prevent spread of COVID-19. These warriors are risking their lives every day to ensure that basic amenities such as electricity, water are delivered to everyone. Streets are clean, basic food items are available, no patient is returned untreated. Law and order is maintained, and those Indians stranded abroad are brought back and cared for at the earliest. On Sunday, 22nd March, as instructed by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, we all had given standing ovation to these people by clapping our hands, beating our plates, and ringing our bells to boost their morale and salute their service. If you want to become independent from Corona, apart from wearing masks and keeping social distance, first thing is distract yourself from negative emotions. You can listen to music, read some good books, etc. Rediscover your hobbies. If you had old hobbies like painting, gardening, stitching, go back to them. Eat well and drink plenty of fluids. And very important, be physically active. Do simple indoor exercises like jumping jack, etc. That will keep you fit and fine. One more Corona warrior is there. Everyone has forgotten. We should salute to the woman in every house. Lockdown has brought everything to standstill, but it has not brought to a halt a woman's daily race. The deadline to complete all chores on time. At present, women are hopping from the role of homemaker to professional. Everyone knows she's a multitasker. She cooks vegetables and simultaneously prepares slides for her presentation to be presented after an hour. Please appreciate every woman, acknowledge her efforts for being a careful mother, caring wife, a loving daughter, and a diligent employee. Support her in these tough times as she is supporting you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharvil. We have immense respect for the soldiers who are vigilant 24/7 for our country. We salute the heroes who sacrificed their lives for our freedom. But today, the entire world is under terror of COVID-19. This war is bravely fought by our new soldiers, the COVID warriors. Let us see what they have to speak about it.
Hi, I am Dr. Myra. I am a frontline corona warrior. I have been treating COVID 19 patients since 4 months. I am always surrounded by infected patients. Due to the fear of the spread of the disease, I hardly visit my parents and continue to stay in the quarters provided by the hospital. Thousands of people are getting infected daily. This situation is getting worse. This virus has arrested us behind the bars of gloves and masks. Today, on this Independence Day, I pledge to work for long hours and help my countrymen gain freedom from this microscopic enemy. Jai Hind.
Hello, I am Miss Vara. I am a nurse working in the COVID ward for government hospital. We spend our duty hours tending to the virus infected patients. It is very difficult to wear the PPE kits for long hours, which prevents us from eating as well as drinking. But we feel motivated when you recognize our work in these hard times. A smile on the patient's face encourages us to work our best and serve the country in the way we can. This Independence Day, I pledge to work 24/7 and help doctors in attaining freedom from this contagious virus. As soon as the lockdown was announced, we immediately stood up in action, making sure that people don't get out of their houses unnecessarily. Sometimes we take strict actions, but it is only for your safety. There were days when we couldn't go back to our houses and had to eat on the streets, but it was only to keep our families safe too. We have received a lot of love and appreciation. We have risked our lives to ensure your safety and will continue doing it. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.
Good morning. I am a health worker. We as a health worker try to give our best to keep a check on corona status. We visit door to door to check your body temperature and register your name. This is in order to avoid any emergencies, providing ambulance for the people so that they could reach the hospital on time, burying the dead when the family members were not allowed to do so. Maintaining sanitation was our priority. Wearing a PPE kit for the entire day is very difficult, but we do it only for ensuring the safety of the people. At times there are people lying on the street with nobody to rescue them, but we have taken these people by admitting them in the hospital so that they are not feel left aloof. We go out so that you don't have to. Eat healthy, stay fit and Jai Hind.
Hi, I'm Arya. I work as a delivery boy for online shopping platforms. The countrywide lockdown brought a busy life to rest, but it was a great challenge for us. The people were confused and worried about groceries and essential items. I and my team assured round-the-clock delivery of essential items at your doorstep, right from groceries, medicine, dairy products to electronic goods. We are ready to deliver them at your doorstep on your one click and one call. On every step, we will fight the virus and make sure you are safe. Today, I pledge to help our country to gain independence from this invisible virus in our own way. Jai Hind!
Good morning, everyone. Lockdown has surely been very tough on all of us. We journalists make sure that you receive the right updates on the pandemic and also the near-abouts of the world. Our reporters are on the field, giving you the correct information, risking our lives. We are passionate about what we do and keep on trying to get you the best and the correct news at all times, and we are proud of it. Jai Hind.
Thank you, COVID warriors, for a selfless contribution in these difficult times. I now request Miss Aditi Shirashkar of class 5th A to express her views on this topic.
Hello everyone, this is Aditi Shiraskar from grade 5th A. Today, on our 74th Independence Day celebration, I am going to speak few lines on our Corona warriors. After the COVID-19 breakdown, thousands of people have been on an emergency duty since day one. These people have been given the title of Corona warriors around the world. They include doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, policemen, media people, etc. During this pandemic, our Corona warriors have helped to recover thousands of infected people. Thus, they successfully controlled the spread of virus. So, we all should thank and salute them from the bottom of our hearts. Also, as urged by our Honorable Prime Minister, we must maintain social distancing in public places and stay in our homes. Only then we can defeat COVID-19. This is how we will get our independence in true sense. Thank you.
Truly said Aditi. Now let us welcome Miss Parnavi Karandikar of class 5th B for a wonderful performance. Thank you, Parnavi, for such a great performance. I now call upon Kavya for the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. I, Kavya of class 5th B, take this opportunity to thank each and everyone who actively participated in our celebration. I would like to thank our director, Madam Ms. Soma Bhattacharya, our administrator, Ms. Nupur Matre, and our principal, Madam Mrs. Sheesha Varghese, for gracing this occasion by their presence. This Independence Day, we truly crave for independence from this invisible enemy. So let us respect them just as we respect the soldiers fighting on the border and safeguarding us. Let us conclude the program by pledging to do our best to honor the sacrifice of the martyrs and keep the patriotism alive. Thank you.